Today we're going to be covering a burning question that people are always asking, especially on my TikTok channel. Is the S20 still worth it in 2024? Let's find out. The Samsung S20 was a powerhouse when it released in 2020. So how does it hold up in 2024? Before we get into this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more videos like this. First up, design and build quality. The S20's sleek design and premium build are timeless. Its glass and metal design is really cool and it still stands out in 2024, except for the camera design though. I think this one is probably the worst one from Samsung in the S series history. That's a big statement.
Still love you.
Next, let's talk about the display and performance. The S20's vibrant AMOLED display and snappy performance are still top notch in 2024, which is not a surprise. Honestly, whether you're gaming or multitasking on this device, it handles it with ease. But at times I do notice some overheating when the phone is under too much stress. For example, when I'm playing eFootball 2024. The camera now, man. This is a crucial aspect for many users. The S20's camera setup may not be the latest, but its versatility and image quality still impress. From stunning landscapes to detailed portraits, this phone delivers, bro. Like, it's amazing. At times I even use it to record my content. Remember, the phone was dropped in 2024. That's crazy, man. Now let's talk about the software of the Samsung S20. So you are not able to get Android 14, which is the latest Android version, which sucks because these phones only got 3 years of software updates and 4 years of security updates. But if there's one downside, this would definitely be it. But when you really consider the fact that Android 13 just dropped last year, it's still kind of relevant in 2024. But I always prefer using the latest Android version. If your phone cannot get that, I think it's time to upgrade. A phone's battery is a vital part of any smartphone user. So how does the S20 hold up in 2024? The battery sucks. I mean, it's 4 years old, so it's understandable, but I didn't expect it to be this bad in a space of 4 years. It lasts for around 5 hours of using the phone like consistently without switching it off or anything, and if it's under stress, it lasts for around 4 hours, I would say, which is really bad considering that phones nowadays are lasting up to 10 hours. For example, the S24 Ultra. In conclusion, is the S20 still worth it in 2024? My answer to this will be no, because of a few reasons. Firstly, the battery life of this now sucks, and secondly would be the software updates. Considering that this is the last year of not software updates in terms of Android version, but security updates, which sucks. We only got 3 years of software updates on this, but it is what it is, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the S20. Is this something you'll consider buying? And thank you guys for tuning in this video. If you enjoyed it, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.